Welcome to FunPlayTV. Now we're going to do experiment.
What experiment are you doing today?
Play-Doh experiment.
Play-Doh experiment?
We got a bowl and food coloring and a cutter and flour, salt,
And?
water.
Okay. Dishwashing liquid.
Dishwashing liquid.
Why do you need the dishwashing liquid for? To make it smell?
Nice.
First, we have to measure the flour, which we've already done. So we've measured half cup of flour that you are going to tip in the bowl.
Dip in the bowl. Shall I tip all?
Yes, because that's half a cup of flour. And then we have measured, thank you, we have measured quarter a cup of salt that we're going to tip inside.
Can I tip all?
Yes, please. And now, this is the fun part, is we are going to squirt, just a little squirt,
Okay.
it's heavy, of dishwashing liquid, so that makes it smell nice. Add 5 drops of food coloring. Splash of water, just a little bit of water. It's the fun part. Oh, we also have this. What is this for? A Ziploc bag.
Ziploc bag.
What is it for?
We'll cover the Play-Doh.
To keep the Play-Doh once we're done playing with it. And what do you do now?
Mix it our hand.
Okay. Show me a Play-Doh. Is it nice?
Yes.
Does it smell nice?
Yes.
So we've got this Australian animal cookie cutters because we're in Australia. And what animals are this? What is this one here?
A kangaroo.
A kangaroo. And how about this one? What is this one?
A bird.
A bird. And this is an Australian bird called a kookaburra.
No.
And what is this one here?
Koala.
A koala. And last one, what is this one here? It's an Australian animal, and that one is a platypus. Got these cool cookie cutters. Have to make sure that you don't put it in your
Mouth.
because there is
Soap. They're washing soap.
you don't want to have bubbles in your mouth.
No. Look, Mama.
That came up as a koala. What do we have here?
Sparkle.
We can put some glitter on our plate. We can also learn our alphabets by using an alphabet cookie cutter. Wait.
This is really fun Play-Doh.
And if we need to keep it, we will just have to put them
In the bag.
in the Ziploc bag and seal it up really nice and tight and put it in the fridge.
Thank you for watching FunPlayTV.